Greetings, loved ones. Let's take a journey.
Hey guys, on this episode of Rhyan, I will show you all how to get this sleek ponytail right here with the swoops easy. And guess what? No flaking, and my hair feels so moisturized. I don't feel like I'm lacking anything. I'm not dry at all. I hope you guys really enjoy. If you do, please do not forget to like and subscribe. I think I said that wrong. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. Without further ado, let's go and get into it. I'm definitely going to be watching some Baby Daddy while I do my hair because I just love this show. Before I put my hair in a style, I love to section my hair and just put moisture throughout the entire thing. So I'm going to show you guys the process that I go through so I can get lots of moisture in this bleached hair while I have it in a sleek pony protective style. You guys can definitely see my hair is super tangled. It's fine because I'm about to fix that right now. So the first thing I'm going to go in with is my As I Am leave-in conditioner. I still have a little bit left from the old packaging, which is pretty nice. So I'm going to go ahead and use this first, just so I can get some moisture in my hair. I'm definitely not going to try to detangle or anything while my hair is moisture. It has neglected moistures. Now my hair is starting to feel much better and I can get my fingers through it. So thankful, so happy, so thankful. Next I'm going to go in, I just put my finger up. I'm gonna go in with my Melanin Twist elongating style cream. You can use it for wash and goes too because it's basically a styled wash and go basically. So I'm going to go ahead and read this through my hair just so it's getting all the moisture. And these products are so safe for the hair. I put so much, but it's fine. These products are so safe for the hair. I highly recommend, and I highly trust it, especially with this bleach hair, guys, because my hair knows. But you know, even though bleaching isn't good for your hair, YOLO, enjoy it. You know what I mean? Do what you want to do. It's your life. Since my hair is finally detangled, as you guys can see, I'm going to head in with some oil so I can seal in all that moisture that I just added in it. I freaking love this stuff right here. And it smells great because my hair needs moisture. And so does yours. Also put a slither, as you guys can see. This is my slither gel. And I'm just gonna keep doing this same thing for my entire head before I put it in its sleek ponytail because I want the whole thing to be moisturized. So just please give me a second.
stitches? Will she have a scar? What if I wasn't there for her? She's fine. Look, I'm so sorry.
Okay, so my hair is now all combed out finally after like what, 40 something minutes? I don't even know. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add the oil all throughout my head to make sure I just have enough because I need it, you know. We need the moisture. I just want to make sure that my hair is parted the way I want it, which is not right now. So I'm going to get this. Now my part is pretty decent. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in. I get them every time I dye my hair. I went ahead and collected them, and it's just great in the hair. It gives you so much moisture and it smells really good. I'm just gonna distribute this throughout my hair because I love the way the hair reacts to it. First, what I'm going to do, I have like a crap ton of these ponytail holders. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna need about, I'm gonna say 3 right now, 4 just in case. I'm gonna grab 4 of these, and it's good to have fresh ones, brand new ones, because it works so much better. And I'm gonna go ahead and, I keep saying and, crap's annoying. I'm sorry. Make a part. So all of this down here is for this ponytail holder, the first one. And I'm going to go ahead, put this up. I'm going to put this ponytail up here because I want a high ponytail. Gel, because you want to look laid, girl. You want to look laid. And I'm telling you, this process is so much easier when your entire head is already moisturized. That's why I moisturized my entire head before I decided to go in and do these parts. Put in this pony up here. Since my part is right here, I'm gonna take this part and split it in half. So this piece, I'm gonna just tie it up. This part is gonna be laid down. Alright, now it's laid. Is this other part, this last part actually, and I also have to do my edges. I gotta get my edge brush. but just gonna gel this part down too. It's not that high, but it's pretty decent. This looks so cute. It's so laid. So much gel, I swear, but it's so worth it. Thankfully, my hair is finally done, and I enjoyed my episodes of Baby Daddy while doing it. I'm gonna just go ahead and do my swoops. Can't go wrong with that. My hair is all swooped and everything. I am going to, where is it? Okay, I have some left. I was going to use my other one because I have 2 of these right here, but I'm going to go ahead and just use the same one and moisturize my ponytail more because I just need that moisture.
With it being bleached and everything, it's highly saturated in moisture right now.
Now I'm just gonna watch somewhere Baby Daddy while I diffuse my ponytail because I want it nice and dry. Like, my back is freaking wet right now, so I'm just ready for it to be done. So you guys, I'm now done. This is the look, and my ponytail is super moisturized. Even though my hair is bleached, I am loving this. I'm loving the swoops. I'm just happy that I did this. I was gonna braid my hair, but I'm like, you know what? I'm not gonna keep the same hairstyle all the time. Who am I to do that? So thank you guys so much. I hope you got something out of this, you know, to keep your hair moisturized and good while you have your hair in your protective style like this, even before you do it, you know what I mean? Just want you guys to not have dry hair. Dry hair sucks, you know what I mean? So thank you guys. I hope you guys have a beautiful, blessed day because you guys are all beautiful people. And please do not forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. So, mwah.